Okay, welcome back, Rewarders. So today I have a treat for you. Today we're going to talk about prop firms and in particular Apex Trader Funding. And this is their website, it's atf.com. And right now they're offering their Cyber Monday deal, 90% off evals, right? Which is their best deal they have as far as I can see. Uh, Usually the best deal I've seen is 80%, so 90% is even better. So as you can see here, they pay out a lot of money, and this is money that, it's you're investing their money, not your money. And so the risk is very low for you. The only risk you have when you're investing with prop firms is your original investment with the evaluations, and then you once you get funded, you have to pay another fee for that. So roughly, there's a little bit of money invested in this. So if you blow your account, you're only out a little bit, but the profit potential is huge because if you go down here, they give you can choose between rhythmic plans and Tradevate plans. So their cheapest plan here is 25,000. They have of capital. So for it says here $147 a month is the rhythmic plan. So if you take your trusty calculator here and go 147 times 0.1, which is 90% off, right? And so this plan here only costs you $14.70. So that's pretty cheap, So for 14 bucks, you have $25,000 in capital. Now it does have daily drawdowns. This is the trailing threshold is $1,500. So basically, what they want to see is you take this 25,000, you invest it. As long as you don't lose $1,500 or more, then you can keep trading, right? But the minute you lose $1,500, you're done. The account's closed and you have to reset it, and that costs you another $14 or $15, to reset. So you definitely want to go into this seriously and not gamble your money because it'd be easy to gamble since you're only in it for 15 bucks. But I would recommend taking it as seriously as possible because this trillion threshold is really tough, right? Because it's not just that you lose $1,500. So you can actually be up $1,000 and all of a sudden the stock swings the other way, and then let's say now you're down $500. They consider that a $1,500 loss because they take their total highest balance, which was 1,000. Now you're negative 500. Well, that's $1,500, and so now you're done. And so even though you only lost 500 bucks total, you're done. And so they only want you to make money, right? So when you're up 1,000, you got to take those profits and run, right? And it really teaches you how to be a better trader, I believe, because that was my problem when I first started trading, was that I'd be up almost double my money, and then I would just be, hoping to get that few extra dollars or whatever to make it even, 100% profit. And I wouldn't quite hit it. And then all of a sudden reverse and then go down. And then I'd be down, a couple $100 or a couple hundred, or let's say I'd be down 20%. And so now I went from, a profitable trade to a negative trade. And this platform basically teaches you how to be a better trader, I believe. Now you can still have simulation accounts in this, so you can do simulation of your simulation. So keep that in mind. So if you're just trying to get used to the platform, you don't have to trade with the money they give you right off the bat, because it did take me a little bit to kind of learn their trading platform and get into it. So now this is the most popular plan, the 50,000 capital plan. And this one's a little more expensive, $167. So 90% off that, you're looking probably about 17 bucks, 16.70 for that. But this one, your profit goal is 3,000. So you have to make $3,000 and your trailing threshold is 2,500. So, I actually came really close before. I was up to like $2,900 profit, and all I needed to do was make $100. I invested really stupid, and all of a sudden I started losing. And before I know it, I hit this $2,500 threshold. So even though I was still up almost $400 or $500 in my account, they my account got canceled because I hit that threshold. So they only want to see go up, not down. And once you get to that 3,000, man, stop trading, and then they will offer you a funded account. But with the funded account, it usually costs, anywhere from $85 on up to get a funded account. So really you're in it for maybe like $100, $200, something like that, for to be fully funded. And but then they give you $50,000 capital, right? And so like I said, this is the most popular plan. Now this is the Rhythmic. So the Rhythmic, I haven't tried it yet, but you have to go on a different site or Ninja Trader in order to trade this platform. But I've been using TradingView. I really like their website, and it seemed like a lot of other investors like TradingView as well. So I kind of just stuck with TradingView. So this one here is $50,000 and full capital. So I'm gonna show you how to get an account, right? So here we are. We're gonna click on this. And I have already set up an account with these guys. Otherwise, you'd probably have to set up, username, password, all that good stuff. So now we are going to just go down here, and we are going to put in the coupon code. So they give you a coupon code. I'll try to put a link down below for my coupon code, and I'll give you the best deal possible, right? So so I can't use my own coupon code, so I'm actually going to put in somebody else's. Read all their stuff here. And this is a lot of stuff here. So basically you're signing like a non-disclosure sort of thing. And yeah. Okay, so as you can see, I got, so the original price is $167. I'm playing for a $50,000 TradingView account. I'm going to go with, so they gave me 90% off, $16.70. And let's pay for it. So you put in your credit card information. Okay, so we successfully bought a TradingView account for $50,000. Now this here, and then it says subscription is $16.70 for the first month, and then it's $13.40 for each month after that. So if we don't get to our $3,000 goal, so this account has a $3,000 goal, right, and $2,500 threshold. So if we don't hit that 3,000 in 30 days, we're going to have to pay a $33 monthly subscription to keep going, right? And so you can take as long as you want to get to that 3,000 as possible. So you can take months, years, but then just keep in mind you're gonna have to pay that $33 every month. So most guys, try to get to the 3,000 by the end of the month. And then we are going to, and now the beauty of this, and then the resets are probably going to be the same. So if I blow my account within the first day or month or whatever, I can reset this for about $33, and that will reset my account. But just keep in mind, it doesn't reset the monthly fee. So if you reset, let's say 3 weeks in to your month and you pay $33, just keep in mind in a week you're going to get charged another $33 if you want to keep that account. So another thing to keep in mind is you also have to trade for a minimum of 7 days. And the way that works is, so let's say you go crazy and you hit it big on the very first investment and you hit your $3,000 goal, right? Well, you have to trade for a minimum of 7 days consistently. So remember, they want to see consistency. They don't want to see gambling. You know what I mean? So you want to see that. So here, as you can see, we were at 0 days. So at the end of the day, we're gonna get it's gonna count 1 day as long as we invest by the end of the day. And then yeah, so like I said, you have 7 days, and once you hit that $3,000, I would stop trading, and then you should get an email saying that congratulations, you qualify to be a funded trader. You pay your fee, and then you get a funded account. So that's how it works, guys. And just keep in mind too that you can also get more than one account. You can get up to 20 accounts, and you can do copy trading. So that way we can get 20 of these for $16, $17 a piece, and then we only have to trade one account, and we can just make it so that it copies all the other accounts. And then but just keep in mind, if you pass all of your accounts all at the same time, you have only a few days to pay for that funded account. So then you have to come up with 85 to $200 to get that funded account for each account. So that can get kind of expensive. So if you have 20 accounts times 100, that could be like $2,000 you have to come up with in order to pay for all those accounts. So just keep that in mind. So if you don't have $2,000 laying around for all 20 accounts, then I would probably shy away from that. I'm probably going to get 2 or 3 accounts today just to see if I can do some copy trading, and if we can maximize our profits. So what do you guys think, guys? Make sure to click on that link below if you're interested. Subscribe, like, comment down below, and peace out.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.